How to disable new posts notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable new posts notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First, then open SoundCloud and here you will find library. Click on it and then click here in the top corner and now click settings and here you will find notifications. Click on it and here all you need to do is just here you will find new post by followed user. If you wanted to disable it, all you need to do click on it and go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to disable it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.